In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Semrush certification in just 5 minutes. This certification can be a great addition to your professional toolkit, especially if you're looking to specialize in areas such as SEO or digital marketing. So, let's dive right into it. To start, open up your favorite web browser and type in Semrush Academy in the search bar. Hit enter, and you should see the official Semrush Academy website pop up in your search results. Click on it to enter the virtual world of learning and potential career advancement. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, creating a new account is a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts, enter your details, and verify your email if required. Logging in ensures that you can track your progress as you go through their range of courses. Once you're signed in, take some time to browse through the variety of courses available. Semrush offers a spectrum tailored to different interests and career goals, whether that's SEO, content marketing, or mastering specific Semrush tools. Spend a moment considering what aligns best with your current career aspirations or what new skills you're looking to acquire in the marketing field. After identifying the course that piques your interest, it's time to enroll. Most Semrush courses offer a rich blend of instructional videos, insightful case studies, step-by-step tutorials, and practical exercises designed to enhance your understanding and expertise. The multimedia approach caters well to different learning styles, ensuring you gain both a theoretical and practical understanding of the subject matter. Having worked through the course, it's time to put your newfound knowledge to the test. At the end of most courses, you'll find an online exam. These exams usually consist of multiple-choice questions designed to assess both your theoretical understanding and how well you can apply Semrush tools in practical situations. It's your chance to showcase the knowledge you've acquired during the course, so take it with confidence. Once you've passed the exam, typically with a score ranging between 70–80% or higher depending on the course, you will earn a certificate. This certificate is a testament to your hard work and newfound expertise. You can download it directly from the site and even share it on professional platforms like LinkedIn, putting a spotlight on your professional development journey. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the Semrush Academy, completed a course, passed the exam, and earned your certification. This credential not only enhances your resume, but also your credibility in the fiercely competitive digital marketing landscape. So take a moment to appreciate this accomplishment and think about all the new opportunities that might unfold with your new qualification. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore other courses and certifications that might interest you.